kayo sa TikTok ko ngayon. Nandito na ako.
Oo eh. Waiting for them. Ano ba yung dala mo, Joey? Sana hindi mo kinunan yung hawak niyang ano. Yeah. Dito nagka-traffic din. Let's go. Go, Liam. We're here now. Ano ba yung dala mo, Joey? Actually, okay na tayo eh. Ma-check-in na tayo. Let's go.
Ngayon lang ulit kami nakapag-airport.
Oo.
3 taon. Ilang taon na?
Ang tagal na daw niya hindi nakapag-airport. And ito na.
7 years na nung una kong airport eh.
7 years ago.
Oo.
Yes. Okay, we're heading to the counter E. So, pasok na tayo doon sa loob. Since we had checked-in online. Ganda na tayo sa tour. Ayan. Sa departure area. Ano ba yun? Here. May papasok tayo dito. We're inside now.
Once again, boarding gate 1348. Cebu Pacific, aircraft number boarding gate 134B. Once again, it's boarding gate 134B. Look, please.
Saan daw? Gate 120. Hahanap kami ng kape. Kapihan. Adlian. Pwede ka doon? Siyempre pang-toddler yun. Itim na. At 7-Eleven. Kape muna. Kape. Ito lang yun. Ito. Kape. Ito na. Start sa third device niyan. So, ibig sabihin board lang yan. Tuna mayo. Parang some coffee. My coffee and my candy tuna mayo.
We are calling the attention of the remaining passengers on Cebu Pacific by 5J451, bound for Iloilo. Guests are requested to proceed to the aircraft now through boarding gate 132. Once again, boarding gate 132 on board, please. For the last flight of passengers on Cebu Pacific by 5J451.
sa Japan.
We are calling the attention of the remaining passengers on Cebu Pacific
There's a waiting here.
5851, bound for Zamboanga. Remaining guests Mr. Marvin Acejas, Miss Siti Adiha Ali, Miss Julia Maris Paglakilawan, Miss Beth Benito, and Miss Ira Nicole
William,
Ranata. Guests are requested to proceed with their preparation for departing Cagayan de Oro guests on flight 5J395. Your final boarding gate assignment is at boarding gate 119. May we request?
Go press. Going down.
You may now order
Dito tayo. Oh, hindi pa.
number 119. If you are not part of boarding group number 2, please remain seated.
Liam, ito oh.
Gusto ko dun eh.
Hindi, sige. Doon ka. Go, go. Basta. Hey. Oh.
Sa mga ano,
Parang our flight is going to Singapore. Hey. Liam! Dami palang tao pa rin dito. Saan tayo? Waiting. We're still waiting here. Wow. Asan si Papa Joey? Andun sa taas. Oops! May ID.
sa mga kay Papi.
Kasi pre. Yes, sila. Kala ko naman na-hold sila. Diyan. Where's Dada? Nagbas lang pala tayo. Nagbas lang tayo ah. Bas lang tayo.
Yam, babarko pala tayo. Barko.
Going to transfer. Saan kaya? Hindi na pinaikot. So, tayo na lang yung pupunta doon. Ay, dito na. Ba? What's the time? Time check. 6:44. Ayan. Medyo malayo yung area ng plane. Hindi pa. Layo naman natin.
Ano tayo eh?
Hmm?
9-1 tayo.
Here we are. I think ito. Bili. Kaya mo muna sila, Joey. Muna sila, Willet. Liam, bye-bye. Dito kami. Follow. Dito kami. Dun sila. Dito kami.
Weather route is forecasted to be fair, particular weather. Your safety and comfort is always our priority. We request all guests to pay attention to announcements from arrival. Traffic permitting is at 8:50. Time check for convenience, it is now 7:52. We're expecting good weather in
near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan ng lahat ng mga Perfect, enjoy the rest of the day. For everyone.
You are safe. You are safe with my crying baby and Sky Barbara. Terminal of Katiklayan. Yan, saan gagaling?
Dati
Dito tayo.
sa likod ako ah.
Trike lang tayo. Oy! Ay!
Ay, sorry. Masyado ako malakas. Kakabata. Gusto.
Hindi. Maingay. Ayan, dyan tayo. Nasa iba sila. Oh, bye!
Ay, hindi kayo puno, kuya. Hindi pwede punuin. Hindi pwede puno.
Our entrance for terminal. Nasakay na kami ng bangka. Maamoy ba yun? Hindi po hangin yung water, fish water. Ay!
Starlight Bay.
Ah? Sige. Ah?
Dati pinapangarap ko lang pumunta sa Bakit?
Palawan.
Boracay.
Ah.
Dalawa na guys. Next natin Hong Kong.
Boom.
Japan.
Ay, mag-i-enter na. Ay!
America.
Russia.
Indonesia.
Dito tayo ride.
8 to go.
Yung aking
Hindi ako
labubo.
magiging careful.
Ang aking crybaby.
Wala kayo.
Yan, makakaupo. Dito guys. May numbering ba yan? Yan. Seating arrangement pa. Window side na siya ngayon ah.
Babasa yan.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wala ka, babe.
Liam,
Teka lang.
dapat in between. Let's go. Look at the sea. Ang ganda, ganda.
Una ako. Talo na ako dyan. Naliligo ako.
Ay, ganda naman. Hindi na. Here. Okay lang. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami papasok. Nice street. Going to the front beach. Doon kami binaba. Somewhere there. Puro ano eh.
Masaya pa.
Kasi mostly residential to.
Tara, ligo muna tayo.
Okay tayo. Eto. Asan kaya tayo dito? Hello tayo. Thank you Lord, we're here. Thank you Lord. Ocean Club. Dito na tayo.
Sana naman kapag nag-banana boat tayo, hindi mabuti yung banana boat.
I
Ang
think
bibigat pa naman.
quiet naman. I think ito na.
Hello.
Yay, ito na. Hoy,